So good morning! Welcome again to my YouTube channel. This is your teacher Hope and this is Buhay Maestra in Vietnam. So today I will be taking you to a motorbike rental shop of my Vietnamese friend. We're going to rent a motorbike and I will be showing and sharing to you the details. Okay, but first we mounted our GoPro and ready to drive. Okay, so see ya.
A few inches later. A few moments later.
Okay, so we're done here. I just signed a contract to Mr.Leo. He's my motorbike guy. So I rented Ultimo Yamaha unit. For 3 million. But may pa-promo sila. So it's like rent 3 months and get the 4th month for free. So hindi na rin masama. And then on top of that, deposit ka lang ng 2 million. And whatever happens to your motorbike, yung may mga change oil, yung tires, they will fix it for you. And reliable naman siya, yung guy ko, si Leo, reliable, he's very reliable kasi to the rescue talaga sila. So, pero masama din kung nakaka-stressful din kung may mga problem yung mga motorbikes mo. So, sila, okay lang sila. I mean, they're very friendly and marami din siyang mga foreigner na customers. They also have rental per day and weekly. So, I will leave his details below for you to check. And he's a really nice guy. So Leo is the guy. And that's it. So that's my Buhay Maestra for today. I hope this will help you in your life here in HaNoi. And I hope you will support my channel. Don't forget to subscribe and follow Buhay ng Maestra in HaNoi.